What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well so far. It's been a nice, solid green day in the market. ADA and other assets are extending their gains, and there's a few things that people should be aware of right now. We are getting into some short leverage liquidations. We're seeing a little bit of promising movement on the institutional side, and I want to talk about all that with you guys and show everybody how ADA is currently dominating the crypto market. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So when we're looking at ADA here, understand that we're still trying to get to this 44-cent range. I'm not sure why that was taking so long to load, but you guys can see right now we have actually worked our way back within this channel, and right now ADA is in fact targeting 44 cents right at the edge of this inner channel. If we can extend off of this, we could actually see ADA run all the way up towards the top of its trend. We're talking somewhere up in that 48 to 50 cent range. That's actually where our 20-day moving average is as well. I'm not saying we're going to get there for sure. Obviously, these days are pretty long, and we still have a lot to get through today. But what I will say is that this is very promising nonetheless. We are seeing actually some very promising signs from institutional money in the early part of the day, and actually just over the last 2 hours, we've actually seen BlackRock add $197 million worth of BTC. We've actually seen them add $10 million worth of Ethereum. I'm not sure what the total is for the day yet. We'll obviously take a look at that tomorrow morning. But this is basically a continuation of the trend that we saw on Friday. Are we in fact starting to see enough confidence seep into the market to really allow us to extend? Something else I did want to mention as well is we have actually seen $238 million worth of shorts liquidated over the last 24 hours. So yes, instead of falling down into those long leverage liquidations, which we actually did do a little bit of earlier today, we have started to extend and see some highs that we haven't seen since a few days ago. Now, what I noticed was very interesting is that right now, there is a lot of discussion surrounding ADA, whether that be good, bad, whatever it might be. But ADA is currently leading the crypto market in social dominance. In fact, 9.6% of the discussions taking place are surrounding ADA, surrounding Cardano. And that's a pretty big deal because the next closest asset is XRP at 2.9%. So a lot of times, this is why ADA can actually be a market leader. It has a lot of loud narratives going on. We obviously know there's big developments taking place in terms of Ouroboros Laos. We're getting very close to obviously the midnight launch. And if you guys forgot or haven't remembered, December 8th is a big day that we need to pay attention to because that is when the launch date for Night Token is going to be taking place. That's when it's going live on all these different exchanges. So this is actually where ADA has an opportunity to once again separate from the crypto market, kind of lead the way on the pump. I'm not saying that this is happening for sure. ADA is not the best performing asset today, but it is performing well. But this isn't the first time that we've seen this take place, specifically since November of 2024. So we'll see if that continues to be the case as the day and the evening progress. I want to remind everybody that there are 3 different trading sessions. We have our Asian markets, we have our European markets, we have our US markets, and they're not always in alignment with each other. But this seems to be one of those days where they kind of are. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I appreciate it as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Will this continue? Will this in turn end up being one of those weird Monday rallies followed by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday dumps? Are we going to gain a little ground here and then kind of wait for that data in the middle of the week? But have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.